Scanned Health Record Demonstration. Start by searching for your patient. Search by URN. Search by patient surname. Search by admit attendance date and facility. Display a list of current inpatients by facility. When your patient has been located, double-click to open the scanned health record. View a patient's clinical alerts. If your patient has a clinical alert, the number of alerts will be displayed in the patient banner. Document categories. Tabs explained. Each tab collects documents, document types, that are broadly similar in the data that is captured in them and the purposes for which they are created and/or used. For example, within the Procedures tab, you will find records of surgical interventions, including supporting records such as instrument tracking. The New tab displays all new documents that have been scanned and added since the last time you have viewed the patient's health record. Any document that does not relate to a specific occasion of service will also appear in the Reference tab, whether a filter has been applied or not, for example, Advanced Care Plans, EPOAs, or similar. Display documents relating to your specialty. Filters explained. Filter by your specialty, attendance date. Clear the filter. Go back to search for another patient. View a document. Double-click to open a document. Click the first page image and use your mouse wheel to scroll through multiple pages. Zoom in and out. View in expanded mode. Quickly move to the next document within a tab. Document correction. Noticed an error? Send a document correction to the Scan Centre. Exit the demonstration now or continue to watch if you wish to set up a personal tab that will contain the types of documents you reference regularly. Select Options from the main menu icon. Locate the document types you reference regularly and move to the selected Document Types section. You will now see a Personal tab. End of Scanned Health Record Demonstration.